Hey guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. So, we are starting with web scraping in Python, and this is just an introduction to it. We will be covering all the relative things which you need in order to start web scraping in Python, and there will be coming up videos on the similar topic. So, just give me a second, and yeah, this is what you need to actually install in order to work with the upcoming classes. So you need Python. This is basically the language where we actually going to code. And you also need an environment. So this is the code editor which I'll be using in order to do up all the programming so which are required here in Python. So you need to install these two. You will be installing Python first, and then you will be integrating it with Visual Studio Code, and then from there on you can follow up with the classes. There would be a lot of tutorials on YouTube how exactly you download Python and Visual Studio Code and start working. So once you are done with this, then we will start with the upcoming classes and understand the process of it. So yeah, I see you in the next video. Just make sure you have the prerequisite.